Okay, I've been talking this week about this idea of a monthly AI generated newsletter, basically a one-page letter that is interesting to your recipient and does a call to action that gets them to re-engage with your business. It's a perfect thing to send to a list of leads or customers you already have, and also is great for prospecting new business, depending on what your business is. What I wanted to share today was this idea of telling the AI what grade level to write at. I've been playing around here and I've landed at the 4th grade level because I was doing 9th grade. I'm going to do it here and let it render. And it was just a little too sophisticated and hard to read. It had a lot of big words and it sounded not like me, so to speak, not like I would talk to somebody else, right? So you can see here, I want to share some insights highlighting the effectiveness. I'm trying to get this bigger for you. The effectiveness of direct mail marketing. I sound stuffy and, flipper flabber or whatever. If I go down to 2nd grade, it almost gets too simple, which is kind of fun. So I'm going to go down to 2nd grade right here. Let's let this render out. And by the way, you can put your own prompts in here as this rendered. You can copy and paste this and just swap out direct mail for whatever your business is. Real estate, insurance, if you're selling legal services, whatever you do, it's probably relevant. If you provide a home service like plumbing, here's some quick tips about plumbing. And it would just mail every month or every other month, whatever logic you send in the Thanks.io system. So 2nd grade level. I hope you're having a great day. I want to share some cool stats about direct mail that I found. Pretty exciting, right? It sounds a little childish at some twists and turns. Maybe this sounds okay for you, but it's just a nice little hack with the AI telling it what grade level to write at. I'm going to stick with 4th. Maybe that's where my brain's at, is at a 4th grade level. But just wanted to remind you, this is something you can do. Another cool thing that I did here, originally I had written this, I had asked for stats, and I told it to cite the source in parentheses, which makes it seem a little more legit. And it's just going and crawling the web and giving the source. You can see source DMA report 2025, source marketing charts 2025. So really cool stuff. Go ahead and try this out for your business. And if you need help implementing this and setting it up as a monthly newsletter, the steps are pretty easy, but we'll help you do it. Here are the steps. You want a mailing list set up in Thanks.io. In our case, we have a snail mail marketing letter mailing list set up in here somewhere. And then you go to our campaigns feature and you say, hey, every time somebody lands on my snail mail marketing newsletter, where is the rule? I have a lot in here. Snail mail marketing ideas newsletter. Go ahead and send that script that's AI generated, and I want you to do it once a month. Now, of course, you could do it at whatever frequency you want. Maybe you want it to go quarterly. Maybe you only want it to go out once a year, whatever it might be. But this is a great way to send something creative and engaging without you having to come up with the content, and you can completely automate this. All you need to do is get people landing on your source newsletter that triggers the logic, and you can do that either by uploading a list one time, buying the list within our system, or just connecting us up to your CRM or shopping cart system so all your new leads and customers automatically start getting this. All of the above, of which we can help you with here at Thanks.io. Just go ahead and schedule a one-on-one meeting with us. You'll find the link inside the dashboard to schedule a one-on-one with us here. And if you don't already have an account, go ahead and create one. www.thanks.io.